Everyone say hi to Jude. What are you doing? Why are you heating the screw up?
I'm trying to heat the fucking ABS up.
No, you have to heat the knuckle up. That's why you're having problems, you fucking dickhead. Heat the knuckle. Light this again. Why would you heat the screw? That does nothing. That does nothing.
I'm a little slow sometimes.
I told you heat the knuckle. Now the screw's probably not gonna come. It's probably not gonna come out. Look, and then you just heat this up until that starts to smoke on the sensor, and then it'll come out. And then you gotta clean all the muck out.
Yeah.
Try and pull it out now. I don't think it's gonna come out because you jacked it up. And you heated the screw up. No, don't do that. It's gotta pull straight out. It's almost out. Stick another screw in there, meat stick. What? Well, tell Dylan. They probably are the same group size battery. All right, stop. Straight pull. We're fixing mechanic error during struts. Oh, he was really in there, huh?
Yeah. Holy fuck.
There you go. Yeah, baby. Yeah, Daddy, that's the trick right there, dog.